Elections of Vice President 2022 and how Vice President is elected in India. The Election Commission of India announced on June 29, 2022, that Vice President election 2022 is scheduled to be held on August 6 as Vice President Venkaiah Naidu's term will end on August 10. As per Article 68 of the Constitution, the Vice President of India election, to fill the vacancy caused by the expiration date of the term of office of the outgoing Vice President, is required to be completed before the expiration of the term. The Vice President election 2022 schedule was finalized at a meeting, which was also attended by the Election Commissioner Anup Chandra Pandey and Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar. As per the statement released by the Election Commission, all related COVID-19 safeguards and protocols will also be enforced in all the steps of the electoral process and on the day of polling and counting. Wondering how Vice President is elected in India? The Vice President of India is elected by the members of the Electoral College, consisting of the members of both Houses of Parliament. It is in accordance with the system of proportional representation, by the means of the single transferable vote. The Electoral College comprises a total of 788 members of both the Houses of Parliament. Since all the electors are members of both Houses of Parliament, the value of the vote of each member of Parliament will be the same. The Election Commission of India, earlier in June 2022, also announced that the election of the President of India will be held on July 18. According to the schedule released by the Election Commission, the last date for the nomination is June 29 and the vote counting will take place on July 21. The tenure of President Ram Nath Kovind will end on July 24, 2022. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Whizz Minds.